Welcome to WebGility Recap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using WebGility. In this video, we'll go over the process of connecting your WooCommerce store to your WebGility desktop software. If you've already connected a store previously, you'll want to go to Integrations, Stores, and add a new store. If this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted with this screen automatically, but to start the next step, you'll want to select your store type, which is at the very bottom, WooCommerce, and you'll see a couple options below. Give your store a name. The name is not super important, but it can come in handy if you have more than one store and want to be able to tell which one you're looking at. In this case, my WooCommerce store will work. For the store web address, you'll want to enter your store URL, in this case, demo.webgility.com. When you hit continue, you'll be brought to a screen that walks you through setting up your store module for WooCommerce. The store module is a plugin that allows WebGility to connect and retrieve information directly from your WordPress site. And just to recap shortly, the store module can be downloaded from your account at portal.webgility.com. Once you download that store module, you'll upload it as a plugin to your WooCommerce site. If you need help with any of this information, go ahead and click these links and they will walk you through that process step by step. Once you have done it though, go ahead and hit click continue. And this screen will ask for a couple more credentials. The WebGility store module URL is going to be the exact file location or URL where the plugin was installed. So I'm going to copy and paste that here. And for the store login username, generally admin, but if you've created a custom one, that will work. And the store admin password. If you're confused on anything that I'm saying here or feel like you need help, now would be a good time to reach out to your website's developer if you have one, or you can reach out to our support team directly with any questions you have, as well as your implementation specialist. Once you've entered the credentials, however, go ahead and hit connect to WooCommerce. After a couple moments, you should see another window pop up towards the bottom that shows you that the payment methods, shipping methods, categories, tax classes, and statuses are downloading. And after a couple seconds, you should see the window pop up again and show that everything has been downloaded. Clicking continue will take you to an additional screen that asks for store information. This is relevant information for shipping labels specifically, so anything that you put here would be printed on a shipping label. From here, the next step is going to be to connect your accounting software. So we will continue that in the next video, but if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out. As for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.